how to turn on or turn off high contrast fonts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down. Then tap on accessibility. After that, we go down and tap on vision enhancements. Now go down, then tap on high contrast fonts. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. So tap on it to switch it off. You can also tap on the left hand side and then tap on the toggle button in here to add it to the accessibility buttons or assign it to the volume keys shortcut. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.